Meanwhile, the COVID-19 war room in North Block is buzzing with activity since the lockdown was announced on the 24th of March. The ground floor room's prime purpose is to get feedback from states and various ministries based on which regular reports are sent to the Prime Minister's office. Well, Home Minister Amit Shah reviewed the functioning of the control room and the situation right now in the ongoing lockdown. He was briefed about the supply chain of essential commodities as well as the migrant crisis. Neeta joining us at this point. Neeta, what more details are we getting about that review?
Yes, Ankita, Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah, along with all the senior officers of Ministry of Home Affairs, reviewed not only the COVID war room, but they also reviewed situation of migrants who have been put up in various shelters by different state governments, and what the Ministry of Home Affairs steps they have taken, the ministry has taken to enhance the capacity of various shelters. The Home Minister also reviewed COVID-19 war room as has been reporting, and the meeting was also attended by two of his junior ministers, Mr. G.K. Reddy and Nityanand Rai. This war room, if I can just point out, Ankita, there are 36 lines, 36 helplines in which they get numerous help calls from various districts of the entire country. People complain about not getting food. People complain about in a medical emergency not being issued passes. So all sorts of complaints reach here in North Block, which the NDRF and CRPF officials are deployed here in the COVID war room. They try to sort it out with the state administration. So this is a continuing exercise since the time Lockdown 1 was announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on March 25th. This war room has been functional. In fact, its capacity has been augmented. Earlier, there were fewer lines. Now, the lines have also been increased. Lockdown will obviously continue till May 3. And the prime purpose is to see that no one has any kind of a shortage as far even essential commodity is concerned. Ankita?
So, Neeta, just give us a sense of what about visas for foreign travelers who are currently stranded in India? What more are we hearing about that?
As far as visas are concerned of foreign travelers, there was this meeting yesterday which was again attended by the Union Home Minister. It was clearly stated that the visa validity of those foreigners who are stranded in India and whose visa has or is about to expire, it will be extended till May 3rd upon the receipt of online application for free, and they shall not be subjected for any penalty for overstaying. So this thing was also reviewed because obviously the Foreigners Division also comes under the Union Home Ministry. So this was also reviewed in this meeting.
All right. Thanks very much indeed, Neeta, for that update.